What's up guys? Today we're unboxing the Eucleia TabScan J2534 pass-through tool that lets you run dealer level software from manufacturers like Ford, Toyota, BMW, Mercedes, and a bunch of other brands. The best part is all without paying excessive prices for a J2534 module. So let's see what's actually in the box. So let's see what's in the box. First thing, we got our owner's manual. You guys know we're not gonna use that. And first off, the name is pronounced Eucleia. Inside the box, you got the main interface, the USB-C cable. This is a J2534 pass-through tool, which means it lets you use real dealer software, just like I said, from manufacturers like Ford, Toyota, BMW, Mercedes, VW, and a bunch of other brands. It supports both wired and wireless via Wi-Fi connection, so you're not stuck with cables once you set it up. It also supports modern protocols like CAN FD, DoIP, which are important for newer vehicles that sooner or later are gonna come in the door. You'll need to download their free Windows software from Eucleia.net to install the driver and update the firmware. Overall, it's a much more affordable way for us as independent shops to get access to OEM level programming and diagnostic. In my opinion, it looks like a really solid tool. Pretty solid little unit. Let's take a little closer look at the unit itself. So we got our little indicators right here at the front. We got our standard 16-pin DLC. And we got our USB-C connector right here on the back. So far, I mean, it's pretty lightweight. Feels pretty sturdy. I've held some other units that were a lot cheaper made. This feels really good in the hand. This is an unboxing video, so I am gonna do a video where I'm gonna use this on an actual vehicle. So this way you guys can see the whole process. We'll download the software and then we'll go from the normal paces from there. First off, I just wanna say thank you to Eucleia for sending this unit down to us. We're gonna have some fun with this, especially with upcoming programming class that we got and with my engine performance students. So first, I might try this with Forescan and then we'll go from there. And if you guys want to pick up your own for $99, this is a really inexpensive J2534. I'm going to do some testing on it and then give you guys my opinion. You guys know how we roll. No owner's manual. We're going to dive right in and see what's up. So if you guys want to get one of these, check them out. Check the link out in the comment section down below. This is where you guys can pick up your own and let's test them out. As always, guys, we're here to better the automotive industry one technician at a time. This starts with you. Thank you guys for being here today, and I'll see you on the next one.